So here's how to host a website for free on GitHub. So first you want to open your browser and then go to github.com and make sure you're logged in. Now you want to create a new repository. So go to the repositories section and then click on new button. Now you should name your website repository. So for example, test website, and then you can give it a description and it should be public. Now you can click on create repository and it should take you to the repository. Now you should simply upload your website files to this repo. Now to upload files, you can either use the command line on your PC or download the GitHub application and upload from there. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna keep it simple and just add a new file manually. So I'm going to use this default index file, which is a simple file to display when we go to the website. So I'm going to close this and then I'm going to open the command line in this folder. Now I will initialize the repo by typing git init, and then I will add a commit, git commit first commit, and then I'll add it to main branch. And then I'll just add the repo link from here. And then I'll push it to the repository so you can see the file. Now after pushing the file, you should refresh the repo to see the file in here. Now we want to go to the same repository settings section and then scroll down to pages and then click on deploy from branch, and now select the branch, which is main in this case, and leave this as root and click on save. Now you should go back to the repository in another page and you should see a yellow dot next to the repository commit message. So you can click on it and see the deploy process in progress. You should wait for this to finish the deployment. Now once the deployment is completed, you should see a page like this. Now you can go back to the settings pages section and just refresh it. Now you should see your site is live at this address. Now you can click on visit site and it should take you to your website. And if you try to refresh again, you should see that your website is working. Now keep in mind that you should only use HTML because this is mainly for static websites. So only HTML, CSS, JavaScript and stuff like that, only for front-end frameworks, and should not contain any server-side code. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.